Good day, doctor. I'm Vishalini, daughter of Rajamanika. My metric number is 277340. Now, I will explain about introduction of Newton's second law. Sir Isaac Newton expressed several key ideas in his classic book, The Principia. The best known of them are three laws of motion. According to Newton's second law, an object accelerates in the direction of the net force. Newton's second law of motion deals with the action of objects and states the object acceleration is determined by two variables, the net force action of the object and the mass of the item. The mass of the object grows, the object acceleration reduces. The goal of this experiment is to determine the rate of acceleration. The same force is used to two objects of different mass and the heavier object has less acceleration than lighter object. This experiment is simple to show the system accelerates.
Hello everyone and Dr. Shafini. I am Savinasri, daughter of Arvinathan, and my matrix number is 278593. Today I am going to explain the background of our experiment. Our experiment is said to be based on Newton's second law. A force can impact a body's motion quantitatively. Apart from that, it states that the rate of change of a body's momentum is equal to the magnitude and direction of the force. Apart from that also, the importance of Newton's second law in physics cannot be emphasized. Then, according to the equation, a body subjected to a net force accelerates. Alternatively, a body that has not been accelerated experiences no net force.
First of all, in my understanding, Newton's second law is a simple relationship between the acceleration of an object with mass and net force acting on that object. This experiment will test Newton's second law and how it relates to different forces. The law can be summarized by equation F equal to Fa. It is the point of this experiment to find an acceleration of object based on the given force and mass of that object. This will be effectively solve Newton's second law in form A equal to F divided by M. Now we start our experiment. Firstly, we need to prepare all the important things, which are one bottle, two rubber bands, ruler, thread, and two type of balls. The first one is lighter ball and the second one is heavier ball. We try with the lighter ball. From 13 to 15. If the mass decrease, acceleration increase. Use the same method by replace with heavier ball. 13 to 15. If the mass increase, acceleration decrease. If the same force is used to two objects in different mass, the heavier object has less acceleration than lighter object. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone, and doctor. Let me introduce myself. I am Pavitra Manimaran. My matrix number is 277016. Today, I am going to explain about data analysis of this experiment. This experiment is about the mass of two balls and the accelerations of lighter and heavier balls. The lighter ball and heavier ball are pulled by a rubber band from 13 to 15 cm. The two types of balls show different results when pulled by a rubber band. Moreover, through this experiment, we can conclude that two balls will be shown two different values of acceleration during this experiment. The heavier ball has been shown less acceleration than the lighter ball. This is our simple and clear explanations about this experiment about Newton's second law of motion. Next, I will continue with the conclusion. In the conclusion, our group experiments are based on the second law of motions. Newton's second law of motion states the force exerted by moving object is equal to mass multiplied by the accelerations that state the force which is pushed and stated as the formula F equals to mass multiplied by acceleration. In our experiment, the heavier ball has shown less acceleration than the lighter ball. I hope this short experiment will be more clear to understand the second law of motion. That's all from our group. Thank you.